Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add business email on WhatsApp Business. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Adding a business email address allows your customer to easily contact your company. Customers can send questions, suggestions, or complaints directly to your email address, making communication easier and allowing you to respond more quickly to your customers. So how to do it? So simple. So first of all, of course, how to open our WhatsApp business. Now you can just go to your tools. Here, so you can just scroll down. In here, you can just tap on profile. Make your account, tap on profile. You can scroll down, and in here, there is an option add business email. You can just tap on that, and you can just add your email in here. Now you can just tap on save. So here's your email, your business email on your uh, WhatsApp business. So when people visit your WhatsApp business profile, they can see your email and send message to you, like the maybe a question, suggestion, or complaint to you. So that is how to add email on WhatsApp business. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.